to you with a new video. Today I am doing a cute glam look for date night. This look was also featured in my last video, which is the Pretty Little Things date night lookbook. So if you haven't checked that video out, I'm going to link it down in the description box below. Without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get into the video. First, I'm going to use a reddish brown in the crease area, and then I'm going to move into a burgundy color, which I show in this shot right here, and I'm going to also apply that to the crease, blending it out. Next, I'm going to apply two colors together, and it's like a mauve pink and a purple color, and I'm going to place that on my lid. And then I'm going to use a smoky purple color to define the crease and give it a little bit of a smokier look. Using the Shimmer and Glow liquid eyeshadow in Cloud, I'm going to apply that to my lid and blend it out using my finger. Next, I'm going to use my favorite eyeliner, which is the liquid liner from e.l.f. It is their $2 liquid liner, really cheap, but I absolutely love it. I'm going to create a thin line because it's a soft glam look, and I'm opting to go with a softer wing than a bold wing. And here I'm just showing you the lashes that I'm going to be using by Eylure, and they're in the style Baroque. I think that's how you say it. But after applying them, I'm just going to use my mascara to blend in my natural lashes. Now I'm just going to blend out my concealer and move on to contouring my face using the NYX Drop Foundation. Here I am applying a little bit of blush, and then I'm going to move on and highlight my face using the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Cinnamon. I'm lining my lips with the NYX Lip Liner in the color Expresso, and then I'm going to use the Matte Velvet Violet Voltage lipstick to complete the look. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you would like to see more looks from me and you don't mind giving me some ideas, please put that in the comment section as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.